Hi everyone, I'm glad to see you back. It's me, WrapStyle, and today we are here at WrapStyle Sydney. Let's walk inside and have a look what's going on there. Hi Peter.
Hey.
How are you?
Good. Just working with this KPMF.
What's doing?
Great stuff.
Great stuff?
Yeah, have a look. Just beginning, but
Looks insane.
we have to come tomorrow to double check and
Actually, we're gonna be here tomorrow and we'll check it.
oh shit. I'm sleeping here tonight.
Okay. Let's go upstairs into the office and check what Jerry is up to. Ooh, and here we have Mike. Hey Mike.
Hey, how you doing?
What's going on?
Just laminating.
Laminating? Woohoo!
This is something else.
Oh, looks pretty. This what is Trump?
No, I'm not trying to.
Loss. Before it was matte.
You showed me how to dance love. So tell me what you're thinking of.
Now is the time to prepare material for today's job. What side you trimming now? You're not trimming the side.
I'm just trimming this.
Ah,
Trim that and cut it up there. Because this one we do it on a bow. And I hope this is what I'm supposed to do.
For this project, we are using Oracle print media.
You showed me how to dance love. So tell me what you're thinking of.
Material is ready, but we'll still need to know what we are doing with it. And the best person here at WrapStyle to talk about it, it's Jerry. Let's ask him. Where's Jerry? Where is Jerry? Jerry! Oh, Jerry's in the toilet. Let's wait for him. Jerry, what are we doing with this material?
We're going to put it on the Catamaran. So,
Okay,
yeah,
cool.
very cool.
Let's do it. Okay, Mike, where do we need to put this film?
Put in my car. Do you want to come with me or you want to drive your car there?
We coming back or no?
Yeah, so you can come with me.
Yeah, okay, I'm coming with you.
Cool.
Enjoy your ride. Okay, I need some tools. I'll grab my tool bag. And I need some squeegee. Let's take this and this. How far are we going?
40 kilometers. It is 40.
Okay, let's enjoy our drive. You already know that today we're wrapping Catamaran.
Ready to go.
This is how looks our lunch.
Going to tell you what it is with Italian accent.
Diavola capricciosa.
So let's play some sticker. One side is finished and now is the time to start laying some film on the other side. You ready, Mike?
Yes, I am ready. Do I look like I'm ready? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It doesn't work.
Couple hours later, Catamaran is finished. Mike just sealing the edges just to protect water from going under the film, and we're done. So guys, job is done. Thank you very much for watching. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and I will see you next time.